our top 3 lower back releases. The first thing you want to do is you want to start off with a simple hamstring stretch. I like to do it seating, and you can also, I like this one just because it starts to relieve a little bit of tension through sort of like the posterior chain. So it takes tension out of your hamstrings, your calves, but you also get a little bit of a lower back. So wherever is tightest for you in this chain is where you're going to feel the stretch the most. And if we're spending, anywhere from like 45 seconds to 90 seconds in this stretch, then you should start to feel a release and you start to get a little bit more range of motion. Obviously, we want to make sure we're doing both sides. You probably will find that one side is tighter than the other. You can spend a little bit of extra time stretching that out. The next exercise we're going to go into is just starting to teach the back how to bend and extend again. So we go into a nice little child's pose, and then you can rock forwards, and depending how sore your back is, go into a little extension based one. So we're just gonna cycle through happy baby and a little bit of extension. Each time you can work through a little bit extra range of motion with these. And finally, we're just gonna work on a nice little hip hinge. So I like to add a little reach because it gets your core on, and then we're going to pretend we're putting something on the floor. So we're stretching the front hamstring as we go down, and as we come back up, we're kind of squeezing that bum and stretching out the front of the hip. So hamstring, squeeze bum, hamstring, squeeze bum. Give those 3 exercises a go. Let us know which one is your favorite or which one gives you the most relief. But ideally we're doing all 3 so that we can start to teach the muscles how to lengthen without fear of injury, then how to move one area like your hamstrings while keeping your lower back nice and stable. If you found this useful, please like, share or comment below and tag any friends who you think might find it useful. If you'd like to stay up to date with more of this stuff, don't forget to follow us or subscribe.